Hi, are you looking for a Fremont general contractor? Well, you found the right place. My name is Paul Gordon. I'm the owner and president of Golden Gate Enterprises. We are a Fremont general contractor. We're based here in the East Bay, and we do complete general contracting services. We have over 25 years of experience. We're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, and of course, we're fully licensed, bonded, and insured. We do everything from additions to bathroom and kitchen remodels, complete home remodels. We do waterproof decks, glass railings, deck construction, dry rot and structural repairs, stucco, painting, foundation repairs, arbors and shade structures, and we handle the plans, permits, and engineering. So whether you're looking at one particular project or a complete whole house remodel and or an addition, you found the right company. And again, we are based locally and we are a full service general contractor. And you can rest assured in dealing with us that you're dealing with a company that's been A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau for over 10 years, and we have hundreds and hundreds of satisfied customers throughout the San Francisco Bay Area here. And if you will take a few minutes and give us a call at 510-909-8552, that's our hotline. I generally answer the phone. My name is Paul Gordon, the owner of the company, and if I don't, leave a message and I will get back to you. You can also take a look at us and find us at www.bayareacontractor.com, and you can see hundreds of our videos of job site projects across the internet from around the Bay Area. So we look forward to hearing from you, and if you stand by, we'll give you a little bit more information about our general contracting services. We look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much. When you're looking for a general contractor, you're looking for somebody that has the capabilities of doing a multitude of trades that come together in completing projects. General contractors, and in particular Golden Gate Enterprises, we handle waterproofing, we handle additions, we handle bathroom remodels, as well as all types of remodels, installation of siding, landscaping and hardscaping, foundation and structural repairs, stucco work and waterproofing on the exterior of the house, installation of windows, dry rot repairs, and plans, permits, engineering as they may be needed with regards to the project, actual landscaping and hardscaping that comes into play, painting, both interior and exterior as far as the finish work is concerned, kitchen remodeling, electrical and plumbing work, and tile work. Somebody may ask, do you need somebody that does all of these things? And the answer is generally yes. I would say well over 70% of the projects require a multitude of trades in order to accomplish them properly and professionally. And one of the risks in getting a dedicated, if you want to look at it as a subcontractor that does just one item, they particularly don't have the skills to complete the projects, or they're not looking at it with the eyes of an experienced general contractor. And this is the reason why Golden Gate Enterprises is brought into project, because we are experienced general contractors. We do all of the work we've spoken about in-house from start to finish, and we have a great deal of expertise, so you can be ensured of a very, very high quality project. We do everything again from kitchen and bathroom remodels. This is brand new installations, remodels, custom cabinetry, very high quality tile work, custom designs, custom shower pans, custom cabinetry both in the kitchens as well as in the bathrooms. And we help on the design and consultation of all of our projects. We bring you to our showroom for proper product selection and integration of all the different products that need to come together. So we make the projects happen, and we give you as much or as little hand-holding as you would like throughout these projects here. Custom cabinets. Today's world of cabinets ranges everything from very inexpensive particle board cabinets that most people would not put into their homes, all the way to custom cabinets, which is predominantly what we put in. Custom cabinets are actually built to the 1/4 of an inch for the particular installation that we're putting it in. It's all wood boxes. They're all made out of this wood that's chosen for the finish. European hinges, all the custom hardware, custom slide-out drawers, shelves, lazy Susans. All of these things are integrated in to make for a dramatic and highly efficient kitchen or bathroom installation. So in our opinion, these are far superior than trying to work with modular cabinets that are purchased off the shelf. Although we do this, it may appear to save you a little bit of money, but frequently it does not, and we believe that custom cabinets are a far better value in our projects here. When we're taking a look at doing remodel and addition work, there's typically structural modifications that are done to the house in order to open it up, change floor pans, change walls. So you'll find typically that walls get stripped down to the studs. We open up entire walls, take off roof lines. You can see structural modifications like this that typically require engineering details, and that's all part of our plans and our permitting process here, and you end up with a completely reoriented interior here to change the whole look and feel of the space. So we can do as much or as little as you'd like, depending on the scope of the project and what you'd like to have done. But this is all of what Golden Gate Enterprises does in our projects here. The other interesting thing is that we specialize around the San Francisco Bay Area in doing dry rot and structural repair jobs. These are typically very heavily involved with structural modifications and repairs to existing buildings. They involve waterproofing, they involve the exterior and stucco and rebuilding the structures, and we have a great deal of expertise in doing this. We've done hundreds and hundreds of major dry rot and structural repair projects, and we do both small and large projects. So Golden Gate Enterprises is brought into the fold again for all of these types of projects here. Dry rot is something that's quite insidious, and once it starts, it's a fungus. It's kind of like a cancer. It continues to spread, and unless you remove it and eradicate it and take care of it, it continues to compromise the building. And slow water leaks, even ones that you cannot see, over the years they end up deteriorating and causing major and very costly damage to structures. Very common one are front porches, stairs rotting out. We've replaced just numerous front porches and stairs all around the Bay Area here, and they have to be completely reconstructed. This is a project that the entire front of the house and entire front stairway was completely rotted out, both from termites, dry rot, and from beetle infestation. And this required engineering permits, of course, extensive waterproofing, reframing, and again, this is a project right up the scope and capability of Golden Gate Enterprises, and we get referred all around the San Francisco Bay Area for exactly these reasons. We also do foundation and structural repair work, both small foundation repairs as well as major structural repairs and modifications. You can see that this is major form work that's going on. This was a house sliding down the hill that had to be structurally stabilized. We had piers that were drilled that were 25 to 30 feet deep. Major structural reinforcement and engineering. You can see all the steel cages and rebars in here in order to reinforce this. But again, this is all of our area of expertise, and we provide the plans, the permits, the engineering, and all of the work that goes into it. Waterproof decks, another deep expertise of Golden Gate Enterprises. We perform these throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, and these are typically decks that are over living space that require roof-grade waterproofing, and we are the San Francisco Bay Area leading waterproof deck experts. We have done over 1,000 waterproof decks around the Bay Area here. We do complete construction from start to finish. We do waterproofing for other contractors as well as for our entire projects here. So give us a call and we can tell you a whole lot more details about waterproofing. We are the experts in the San Francisco Bay Area for waterproof walking decks. Glass railings. You can see hundreds and hundreds of our installations throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. Glass railings are one of the finest choices for railings. They not only provide an open look and feel, but they also provide a windscreen protection, and we believe that they're one of the far superior types of railing systems, although we do everything from cable railings to wood railings. Powder-coated aluminum railings, they don't rust, they don't hit, they don't corrode. They're about as maintenance-free as you can get, and that's why they've become so popular. We put in one of the nicest systems around the Bay Area. Our systems are building code approved, and we have all of the engineering details. And this is the ultimate look and feel that you get with projects that we put in. This is up in the hills of the Bay Area. Another look at deck construction. Decks are one of the most popular add-on items and redo items on homes today, and we handle, again, plans, permits, engineering, and structural work that goes into it. And ultimately, there's just so many different types of finishes and looks and feels of decks, and we can guide you on the selection of materials, installation, and the use of all of these things here. And ultimately, this adds a dramatic impact to the living space of your home. So we consider ourselves one of the leading San Francisco Bay Area deck builders and deck contractors, and we also do repairs on existing decks. And one more look at traditional decks. This is a wood railing with composite decking, and this is a nice ground level deck that was an extension of the deck, custom built-in seating here. So give us a call if we can help you out in those areas. Foundation repair. Many old homes have significant foundation problems, sinking, slipping, corroding and cracking foundations, crumbling old concrete, 30, 40, 50-year-old foundations. We have to go in and shore up houses. That's what you're looking at here with the blocking and the big girders sticking out from the wall. They're basically supporting the house above as we perform the work and the excavation that needs to be done in order to replace the foundation, and ultimately we're in there installing a new foundation, digging a new footing, and all the structural components. Again, all this is done with plans, permits, and engineering. Golden Gate Enterprises is one of the leading foundation repair specialists in the San Francisco Bay Area. Retaining walls and patios. Nothing would be complete without talking about retaining walls, drainage systems, French drains. We do extensive drainage work throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. It's a standard part of retaining wall systems. This is an engineered retaining wall system that's here. You can get a closer look of another project where we're doing a side patio retaining wall and a drainage system that comes into play here. You can see all the rebar that's in place, and as we go through the process here, extensive cement work is at hand. When we do our pours, we do all of our own finishing work here, and ultimately what you end up with is a finished project here, and this is with a block retaining wall with a finished front block and a brick cap, and we do literally dozens and dozens of different types of finishes as part of our project work. Nothing would be complete without talking about the refinishing of the exterior of buildings. We are expert stucco contractors, and we do brand new stucco. We do retextures of existing buildings and re-waterproofing of existing buildings, and all of the details that go along with it, the foam trim, and basically complete exterior makeovers of buildings. There's a lot of work and effort that goes into doing this, and ultimately what you end up with are houses and structures that end up looking like they're completely brand new. And we can help you with color selection, detail of trim and molding, and we consider ourselves artisans in stucco and refinish work here. And to conclude here, we'll talk a little bit about landscaping and hardscape. A lot of this ties into our projects as we're completing them to do the exterior, drilling of piers and installation of retaining walls and design of whole exterior landscaping and hardscaping systems is something we have extensive experience with here. You can see this project in progress here and the work that's being done. This is a set of stairs that tied in the existing house to a lower yard that we terraced, and you can get a little closer look as to the look and feel of this. The objective was a rustic look and feel in this particular project, and we tied this all together with beautiful patio paver work and a custom installation and design. So we can assist you with this. Also provided all the landscaping, irrigation, custom lighting systems, and drainage that went into this project here. So when you're looking for a general contractor, call Golden Gate Enterprises. We are a leading San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. We're A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, and we can help you out. We serve Alameda County, Contra Costa County, San Mateo County, San Francisco County, Marin County, and Santa Clara counties, and we can assist you with all of the general contracting services that we reviewed. Thank you very much, and please find us at www.bayareacontractor.com. Give us a call on our hotline, 510-909-8552. Thanks, and have yourself a great day.